how to create Binance account and verify. If you would like to create a Binance account and also verify your account at the same time, now for verification the process is actually quite long, so in this video I'll just explain briefly, but if you want to know it in detail, we've also already made a dedicated tutorial for that. You can simply search them up in our channel. Open the Binance app and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you open the Binance app, this is the interface you will see. So here you can say sign up or login button here. Now if you have an account, you can log in here. If you don't, tap on create a Binance account button. Enter the email or the phone number that you would like to use for your Binance account right here. So once you enter the email address that you want to use for your Binance account, before you do that, you can also continue with Google account. Tap on the next option. Then it will send a verification code to your email, which you have to simply verify. And once you verify your email and you're done with it, you can tap the next option, and then you'll be able to create your password and follow up with the instructions. Now to verify, you will need a document. So if you do not have your own document, which is a government authorized document, your account will not be verified. But I hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.